Yeah, wow, if you made it this far, congratulations. This is the last video in this series, broadcast management. As you can note, you have noticed we have some icons with indicators. This is actually a notification icon. Yes, that is this user. I've not read any. Okay, let's try and read any. Let's see. Next move is down to 2. Yes. So it will tell you how many pending notification. The one you have read, you will not see it here. You will not see it here at all. Down to 1. So anytime you see any read of this, I think when you did DM direct message, find out there's a message button that why is this one is not appearing here is for messages. It's not that important to always know what is inside there and all that. A notification you can always refer back to. That's why this icon is left there. Unlike the DM message, you can always get your DM from here, messenger. Alright, having said that, all these are red, so there's no pending notification. Alright, how do you send out a notification? Feedback. Nope. Broadcast, yes, it's under broadcast. Usually you send out a site-wide notification. You can edit the existing one or create new one. It's fascinating to choose this is what I mean, these icons here. Okay, I want to notify essay of sales. Yeah, the auto set by type. Okay, this is just for this whatever. Okay, let's say latest web app review. Now the broadcast will be on April 1st. When latest web app version 2.25.3.0 will hit the market. Upgrade for existing customers is free. Alright, do order yours now. You can actually blacklist, whitelist, whatever. These are okay. This is just username of the users. That if you know their username, maybe we'll still upgrade this. Add users as only receivers. This whitelist, you can block those you don't want to receive. Hope it's making sense. Then you can schedule the broadcast from when to when to expire. Automatically it will come live, automatically it will disappear. For now, I want it to stay like on forever. Yeah, remember once a user reads a broadcast, it will no longer appear. Okay, let's refresh this. Yes, I have one new. Click on this. You see that's the only thing that will be displayed here. Okay, let's look at refresh. This user should have 4 by now. Yes, 4. Yeah, this is the latest one. So you can directly reach your customers immediately on something crucial you want them to know. You want them to know. So it's just short message you want your user to know about. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate you staying on till now. I so much appreciate that. You're so wonderful having stayed all through from introduction, or rather overview, introduction, till now. If you're interested in knowing actually what we have discussed so far, we did introduction, authentication, registration, and login. Then we moved over to dashboard widgets, then dashboard app settings. Then we talked about dashboard user settings, dashboard user accounts, dashboard gallery, pages and management, blog and management, ratings management, comment management, reactions and management, messenger and management, contact form and management, newsletter subscription and management, testimonials and management. Then lastly, this broadcast and management. So you are advised to get a copy, order a web app for your business right now, whether personal use or business use. I appreciate your support. Any bug you see, any complaints, any additional feature you want, you can always reach out to me through my email or my phone number. So you probably will be watching this on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Happy New Month. Thank you very much.